Does your organization need to streamline the device replacement process? Work smarter by using a combination of Canon's Data Backup Service and Installation Support Service. With Data Backup Service and Installation Support Service, your organization can reduce device replacement time and easily migrate device data from one device to another. Data Backup Service provides a method for backing up device data automatically, and Installation Support Service can incorporate the backed up data for easy migration to devices. This makes device replacement more efficient by providing a consistent user experience across models when applying using Installation Support Service. So work smarter with Canon's Data Backup Service and Installation Support Service. Please visit the Canon USA website for more information about Canon's Data Backup Service and Installation Support Service.